This is a really quick look at the assembly inspections for last year. Several requests for this. We have 3 identical worksheets here. They're just sorted a little differently. This one's sorted by the business address, sorted by the business name, and this is sorted by the primary ID for the fire captain. So whichever one you want to look at, if you want to look by business name here, you come over here and then you can scroll this way and find all the information. It's a lot of scrolling. It's a lot of kind of a pain in the neck. So what I tried to do here is to make something easy for you to use. It has its limitations, but basically you come up here and you click on the arrow and you find the address that you're looking for, and then it'll populate the values from this worksheet here. And so the limitations are, if you have a duplicate record in here, it's only going to come and find the very first record. An example here is Valentino's. We have 2 records here. That drop down is only going to choose this one. It's not smart enough to see there's a second record. So if you keep that in mind, this is going to kind of give you a really quick way to use it. Once you find it, if you want to print it off, just click on that button there and it'll print, and then you should be good. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, any concerns, any problems, please give me an email or call.